An ankle sprain. Nigel Gonzalez will be manning the point along with Joe Celso, another newcomer in the front line. Yukian Andrada, James Payosing at nandyan din. Etong si RC Kalimag. Alright, ball game is underway. EAC versus San Beda. And it is Axel Dormal missing his first shot off the game, but you love the hustle of EAC. Dahil isa to sa mga babantayan natin mga numero, rebounding Prince against a bigger team like San Beda.
Yes. You know, undersized ngayon ng AIAC, nawala sila Magoliana, Paseo. So, it's a really big factor for them na nawala yung mga main bigs nila. But, syempre, someone has to step up, like Umpad. So, let's see.
Really big responsibility today for Coach Jerson Cabiltes. Pinagkatiwalaan niya ito si Erlan Umpad.
Oo, ngayon, nabigyan ng confidence eh. Basta bigyan lang talaga ng opportunity ng coaches at lalaki talaga yung confidence mo.
Ito ang San Beda, their first crack at the basket. Here is Yukian Andrada coming off a 21-point performance in the previous game.
And it's still hot.
Wow, Yukian showing us the move. And he scores the first 2 points of the game.
He can shoot from the outside, he can also shoot inside the paint.
Axel Dormal against Nigel Gonzalez. It's the vet against the sophomore. JC Luciano left with space. He knocks down the triple.
Luciano's the one guy na kailangan rin mag-step up. He's a veteran, matagal na rin dito sa AIAC. So, isa siya sa mga leaders ng AIAC, so he needs to step up.
This guy is used to being the undersized 4 para sa EAC, but also has range. Payosing the stop and pop. He'll be fouled up top. And 2 free throws coming up here for James Payosing.
You know, that's the number 1 rule sa mga shooters. Don't foul the shooter. Kasi wala nang mapupuntahan niya pag tumalon eh. So, just don't foul him.
Yeah. Good action up the screen for James Payosing. First foul called in this game. Ganito kalakas ang lineup ng San Beda Prince. Imagine, their leading scorer, 21 points a game. Brian Sahonia. Nasa bench ngayon. Will come off the bench today. Imagine how he will attack the second unit of VAC later.
Grabe, sobrang deep ng lineup ng Beda.
Alright, let's use this opportunity to go courtside for the first time. Andito ngayon si Yan Supan. Yan, go ahead.
Martin and Prince, we might be seeing new faces on the court today, but let's first talk about pride and confidence. On the side of the Red Lions, Coach Yuri says that he is proud of his boys for answering the call to be a better team based on their last game. He also said that he recognizes that the Generals have talented members, thus they will have to rely on their defensive and rebounding abilities today. Meanwhile, Coach Jerson commended their opponent because they have a very good system, but he believes that his team is hungrier for a second win coming from a loss. Moving forward, Coach is hoping that the team would not repeat the same mistakes as last time. For this game, San Beda is missing Bonzanilda, who is sick and taking a rest today. However, ESC's lineup is complete. Back to you, Martin and Prince.
Thank you so much, Yan. Well, for the San Beda Red Lions, Prince, kung ikaw ang ESC, makakatapat mo ang San Beda, lagi ang trademark ni Coach Yuri is to take away the main guy of the other team.
Yeah, tama yun. And hindi lang puro defensive scheme magaling ng Beda eh. I really commend their offense kasi all of them are really disciplined. Pina-follow nila lahat ng system, lahat ng rules nila. That's why they are a very, very successful team.
And that's the challenge now for Coach Jerson Cabiltes. You know, he has this formidable lineup. They will be put to the test against the Red Lions today. Harvey Bagsanhan drains it from long distance.
Yeah, as you can see a while ago, niya-hard show na nila si Gortiza. So they know na anytime soon, pwede mag-explode si Gortiza. So they had to hard show it.
An offensive foul on the other side. So good things happening para sa EAC Generals. They lead it early here, 6-5. Si Nigel Gonzalez ang natawagan doon. Red Lions, a rocky start so far.
Si Nigel Gonzalez, starting 5 na agad kahit galing sa injury. So it shows na sobrang may tiwala si Coach Yuri sa kanya.
Siya yung alpha PG niya.
Floppy action, pagsahan again.
Harvey though misfires this time. And Celso collects. Ito na si Nigel Gonzalez. Celso. Hand off. Who will he pick?
Look at that flow offense.
Go to Payosing. Celso against Sumpad.
Good mismatch.
Nakapwesto na si Yukien. Mintis lang.
Good recognition for Celso na nakita yung mismatch doon.
Axel Dormal. Harvey all
Third
day. Yes! Sanhan with his second triple in the first.
Good start for Pagsanhan. 6 points with 2 out of 3 field goal.
That's a nice start for Harvey. Again, 10 points against Benilde. But it's good to see him find the touch early on. Gonzalez, Kalimag. This guy also has the range. Yeah. Andrada with the short stab. Teka lang, may timeout tayo dito. It is 9-7, almost 4 minutes gone. Abante ang EAC. Magbabalik kami.
Huwag kayong matakot tumanggap ng bola at trabahuhin natin ang biyaya. Yan muna mula sa panig ng Arellano Chiefs, Martin and Bert.
Maraming salamat, Laisel Galpo.
Yun na nga.
Katulad nung second quarter natin. So let's see. Dapat dito umatake ang Arellano. Oh, Basti Valencia. What a fadeaway. Going downhill. That one rolls out. Arellano has a chance to inch closer. Valencia with a spin. Yes! And the Chiefs are within 1.
Turning the ball over. Ito yung atake ni Valencia. Actually, it's a 3-on-2. Kaya lang, akin na to.
Hirap na. This game, Harvey Pagsanhan was 0 out of 5 from long distance. In this first few minutes, he has nailed a couple already. And he shows us that he is capable of knocking down these long distance attempts. At meron siya niyan sa kanyang offensive wheelhouse.
Yup, good start for EAC. They're leading by 2, but they need to be consistent, especially they're facing against a defending champion.
So 9-7 earlier, right before we headed into the quick break, it was Yukien Andrada scoring on the push shot.
Their main scorer just missed it.
And Gortiza misfires, and here comes James Payosing. Defending
Good
champions
pass.
looking to tie. RC Kalimag. Nice speed sana. Ilalabas to. Payosing. Yukien left with space.
That's magic. I just missed that one.
And you.
But if you're EAC, that can't happen again, leaving Yukien Andrada wide open. Because the next time, he'll make that for sure.
They dodged a bullet right there. Kasi sure shot. Itong si Yukien. At isa yan sa mga favorite niya, yung kantong yan. Ito na, Prince. Brian Zahona replaces RC Kalimag. 21 points per contest. Coming off a career-high 26 points. Parang naging playground niya tong NCAA.
Oo.
And again, talagang nag-translate yung laro niya dito.
Flex screen.
All away from the ball. That's gonna be against San Beda. Pagsak si King Gortiza. It's gonna be on Payosing.
Holding down number 18, James Payosing, his first.
Payosing will be replaced by Jomel Puno.
This guy I like. You know, sobrang he really sticks to his role, getting the rebounds, doing the dirty work. He doesn't care about points, pero importante sa kanya mga rebounds and dirty work.
Talagang, but given the chance, he can also create for himself. Ito si... So ang frontline ngayon ng San Beda, Andrada and Puno.
That's hard to stop.
Napakahaba niyan. Penny Estacio is also in the game. Brian Zahonia, no. And here comes Harvey Pagsanhan. Oh. Axel Dormal stops and waits.
Dormal still quiet, but it's still early. It's still early.
Gortiza, step back, 3. Yes!
Tough shot for Gortiza.
And EAC doubles up on the San Beda Red Lions, 14-7. Let's get back to the action after this.
Doon, right of the jump ball.
King Gortiza off
Eto
the
na.
screen.
Iyo
He
naman.
knocks it down, wasting no time to make his presence felt.
As expected para dito kay King Gortiza.
Ongotan. Pull-up jumper is off. Here comes Harvey Pagsanhan.
Ayun na naman si
What a
Gortiza on the pass break.
Gortiza on the touchdown. EAC is starting off strong. Nagulat ako, sinabi niya, Nico Kinal, ang laki daw ng in-improve pagdating sa 3-point shooting. Ito na siya. Ochavo. Gortiza, a more open look. Oh, it's raining threes for EAC. It is raining threes for EAC here in the first quarter. This was an inside basket that we saw earlier coming from Wilman Oftana. Pero ito yung kanina, ISO. Step back.
Yep, nakita niya may mismatch siya with Andrada. So he put some moves on him. Alam mo Martin, kung gano'n silang kaalat last game against Benilde, gano'n sila kaswerte ngayon. 4 out of 5, 3 points.
Tama ka.
Grabe yun.
Dito bumawi, yung kaalatan nila from the Benilde game. This is a fantastic start for EAC, especially against the defending champions. Let's see if they can sustain it though. Sanbeda looking to counter.
Big lineup for Beda right now.
This is the Red Lions. Songkuya. Nawala kay Andrada. And here comes Doromal. Axel uses the screen. Doromal saw the space. They will spray. Hand off for Harvey. 4 and 10 to go. Harvey has time.
He saw a mismatch.
King. Step back jumper this time from mid-range.
He's feeling it.
King Gortiza with a couple of baskets for EAC. That will stretch their lead to 9, 16-7.
But take note, yung mga shots ni Gortiza, hindi madali yun Puro off balance.
Pareha step back.
Yeah.
To see Estacio. Penny pulling the trigger. Doesn't get it. Andrada offensive board. Estacio. Puno shortstop. Maitzel. Sahonya steps into it and finally breaks the dry spell for Sanbeda.
First basket for Sahonya. Tuloy-tuloy na siguro yan.
And for the Red Lions, you just gotta weather the storm here in the first. Gortiza, nahanap si Luciano. Nakabang si Puno. Luciano, feet underneath. Harvey misses.
Just missed it. Napalakas yung reverse niya.
Puno, nakabuelo. And that's good steady defense. Tatawagan lang ng foul itong si JC Luciano, but he got the job in preventing an easy basket. But King Gortiza in this stretch has been balling.
Pero kasi kahit mahirap yung mga tira ni Gortiza, he practices that Lagi niya ginagawa yun.
Kaya komportable. Brian Sahonya nailing the first triple for Sanbeda. Jomel Puno at the free throw line.
Kyle Ochavo coming in.
Ito na, nagpalit ng point guard. Itong si Coach Jerson. Also RV Pagsanhan going to the bench. Pinalitan ni Paulo Bagay. Lefty shooter.
Ito yung si Ochavo, pagkalaban mo, mainis ka kasi sa sobrang galing dumipensa, sobrang kulit. And if you're AAC, sobrang swerte ka sa kanyang player. You really need to have that kind of player who has a lot of energy.
Nung kalaban mo ba ang AAC, si Ochavo kumukuha sa'yo?
Oo, siya eh.
Siya yung kumukuha?
Oo, sabi ko nga, huwag mo depensahan. Iba ka na lang.
Doon ko na lang sa iba. Kay Okzun ka na lang. Kasi makulit nga talaga to si Kyle. Malakas pa katawan. Oftana connects. Makinig pa rin ang AAC mula sa labas. And that has become the main weapon for the Generals.
Mainit pa rin ang EAC ngayon sa 3 points. 5 of 6.
Wow.
That's impressive.
What a start.
What a move.
Jomel Puno with a spin down the middle. That's going to be a foul. No choice on Wilmar Oftana. This guy
no
is a knockdown shooter. Yeah. From his days with Mariano University, that's always been his calling card. Jomel Puno, though, living at the free throw line here. Successfully fishing a foul.
Yeah, and yun yung reward sa pagiging aggressive. Yeah. Diyan ka sa free throw, pwede mo kunin yung points mo dyan.
And he's been connecting. Very productive minutes here for Jomel Puno. That's Coach Yuri Escueta. Kyle Ochavo.
Hard show.
Ooh! EAC retrieves. A lot of time to work with here. Gortiza against Puno of Tana. Ilalapit. Panik sa labas. Gortiza catch and shoot. It's the back iron
Gusto
that
niya,
time.
dapat siguro step back eh. Kasi ano lang yun eh.
Di siya
Basic lang
sanay
daw
siya.
eh. Oo.
Catch and shoot, ano? Sahod niya. Wow. Got a little creative that time. Ochavo. Atakin si Estacio. Drop off Loristo. Yes!
Yellow Loristo.
Good decision for Chavo, not forcing that one and finding...
Jello Loristo.
Yep.
Simple but very effective plays ran by EAC, which is why they are on top by 7. Eman Tagle.
Oh, good pass. That's a good
Estacio.
pass.
Wala.
Nakita niya, nag-bump yung defender sa corner, leaving Estacio open. But he just missed it. But good pass, good
Nicole
recognition.
Pinal coming in for King
It
Gortiza.
stays with San Pedro
Yuki
Gortiza.
Andrada
Lalabas muna, papalitan ni Nico Kinan. Ochavo.
for Bernard Zocuya.
Slight drop off here for
13 seconds on the
Loristo
shot
from the
clock.
free throw line. And EAC is ahead by 7. Maintaining their lead. Uy! Nagkabanggaan si Ochavo at Andrada. Estacio. They will spray it. Yuken! Strong.
Medyo malamig ngayon si Yukian.
So San Beda unable to find the mark at least here in the first quarter.
Kinal's in already. Siya yung guy na pwede rin pumutok eh.
Pwede.
Masa-surprise na yung kalaban pero pwede rin niya pumutok si Kinal. Actually, they have a deep lineup sa guard position. Yeah.
Ito na siya. On cue.
1Q.
Just missing his first shot. Teka lang, may foul.
Natulak ni Oftana.
Ayun lang.
Nakita.
Is this the second foul? Hindi, una pa lang. Neto ni Wilmar Oftana.
Pushing foul, number 91, Wilmar Oftana.
Only the first foul, so he
James
stays in the
Mayosing coming in
game.
for the Red Lions.
Payosing is back in.
Ayak applying full court pressure.
Eman Tagle. Ang magbababa. Jomel Puno will attack Wilmar.
Oops,
Oh,
out of
taken
control.
away. Little too
3 on
much
2.
action.
So
Ochavo.
fast.
Di nga lang naipasok.
Humingi ng foul pero walang tinawag.
Payosing hand time. Payosing will earn a trip to the line. 31 seconds left in the first quarter.
Taking foul,
Ito talaga ang laro ni James Payosing.
Yeah. Slasher, high flying.
2 free throws for James Payosing.
Hustle guy, ano?
Yeah.
Very athletic as well.
You know, if you're a slasher, dapat short closeout eh. Para abangan mo yung drive. Pero Payosing kasi na-improve na rin niya yung 3 points niya. Outside threat niya ngayon eh. So it's really hard to stop this guy.
So you have to take him from way out.
Yeah.
Although he misfires on the first, James Payosing hasn't been the ideal start for him in season 100. Siya yung in-expect natin na gaya na talagang puputok din para sa San Beda. But because of the arrival of the other players, he needed to give way. Ochavo. Bagay. Agahanap ng kakampi sa poste. Wilmar Oftana will take this. Oftana turns around.
Medyo
Misses.
off balance yung shot ni Oftana.
And that's gonna be a foul.
Pero as you were saying, Martin,
Yeah.
si Payosing, he gave way for the rest. Eh, yung maganda sa team,
Yeah.
na parang kahit finals MVP ka last season, kahit na go-to guy ka, if it benefits the team, you'll do whatever it takes.
That's right. And for him,
14 seconds on the shot
kumbaga,
clock.
hindi na maki-question kung ano yung kaya niyang gawin sa court.
naman.
Diba? Kasi nakipakita niya sa finals, napakita niya sa Final Four last year. So, nakasunod na ni Tagle. Si Doromal.
Oh, just missed the layup. Sorry, miss.
Follow-up was missed as well. Axel had a good line. Doromal did not
And
like the
the
poke.
opening
Thought it was
Frustrated.
fouled. So 21-14 to end the first quarter. Abante ang EAC. Pagbalik natin, second quarter ng ating laban.